Setting up an emergency contact on Android adds a visible shortcut on your lock screen so that anyone, including first responders, can see who to call if something happens to you without needing to unlock your phone. It can also automatically alert your emergency contact if you're making an emergency call. I'll show how to set this up on Pixel phones and Samsung Galaxy phones. If you're on a Pixel phone, you'll do this through the Safety app, which looks like this. Search for Safety or locate the icon and tap it. If you're opening it for the first time, it'll ask to confirm your account first, and then you'll usually see the homepage like this first. To set up an emergency contact, we'll first go to the Your Info tab on the bottom right, and then navigate to Emergency Contacts. You can then pick a person from your contact list and set them as an emergency contact. And of course, you can add multiple people if needed. If you go back to the previous page, you'll want to make sure you have Show When Locked enabled. With that, first responders or other people can access the emergency contact info even when the phone is locked. There is also an option to share the contact information during an emergency call. This option basically gives first responders the contact info if you're unable to notify them yourself. If you're using a Samsung phone, you'll go to Settings first, and then scroll down to Safety and Emergency. From there, we'll go to Emergency Contacts, and you'll see the same options here. You can pick contacts from your contact list and choose to show the info on the lock screen, and share the info during emergency calls. And that's basically it. You can test this by going to the lock screen, and without unlocking your phone, tap the Emergency button. You'll see your medical ID if you have enabled it, and the emergency contact is listed here as well. And that's how you add an emergency contact on your phone. I hope you'll never need it, but it's good to have it set up just in case. Click that like button if this helped, share with loved ones who need to set this up, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.